Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we'll calculate the value of 99 cube minus 48 cube minus 51 cube in a very tricky and easy manner. So there are three methods to calculate the value of this. First is to calculate the value of 99 cube, 48 cube and 51 cube and then simplify. Next is we can write 99 as 100 minus 1 and its cube. Similarly, we can write 48 as 50 minus 2 and its cube minus 51 we can write 50 plus 1 and its cube, and after that we'll use the formula of a minus b whole cube. Here also a minus b whole cube, and here it is a plus b whole cube type. So it will be very lengthy to calculate the value of all the terms. Now let's focus in the third and easy method. Now here we have 99 and its cube, and another is 48 and negative 51, and if we calculate the value of it will be 0. So here the values of 99 cube we can write 99 cube and it is minus, so we can write plus and minus 48 and its cube plus, and in the bracket minus 51 and its cube. So here it is a and it is b and c. So we can say that a plus b plus c is 0. Here a is 99, b is negative 48, c is negative 51. And the formula of its cube means the formula of a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be 3 times a times b times c. How it will be a times b times c? Look at here. Now we can write a plus b, that is equal to negative c. Here we have written a plus b, we have taken c in the right hand side, it is negative c, and now we'll cube both sides, so we'll get a plus b and its cube, and in the right hand side we have negative c and its cube. So here the formula of a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b, and that is equal to, in the right hand side we have negative c cube means c cube. So here the value of a plus b is negative c, so we can write it as a cube plus b cube. Here it will be negative 3ab and it is c, and that is equal to negative c cube. Now in the next step we will take this negative 3abc in the right hand side, it will be plus 3abc, so it will be a cube plus b cube, and we will take negative c cube in the left hand side, it will be positive c cube, that is equal to, so in the right hand side we have 3abc, 3 times a, b and c. So here it is 99 minus 48 and minus 51 is 0, so the cube of it will be 3 times the multiplication of 99, 48 and 51. So for now, according to this formula we have 99 cube, so we can write it as equal to 3 times a means 99 times b means negative 48 times c means negative 51. So here negative and negative gets positive. Now we'll simplify it quickly. So 3 times 99 we'll write 100 minus 1 and multiplied by 48 multiplied by 51. Now in the next step we'll multiply 48 by 100 and negative 1. So it will be 3 times 48 and 100 will be 4800 minus 48 and 1 will be 48, that is multiplied by 51. So it is multiplied by 51. So now we can write 3 times 4800 minus 48 will be 4752 times we'll write 51 as 50 plus 1. So in the next step we'll write 50 as 100 divided by 2 and 1 as it is. So now in the next step we will multiply 4752 with 100, so it will be 3 times 4752 100 divided by 2 plus 4752. So this value is in bracket and multiplied by 3. Now in the next step we'll divide this term by 2, that is 3 multiplied by 4 and 2, it is 2, 7 it is 3 and 15, 7, 12, 6 and 0. Plus in the next term we have 4752 and that is also in bracket. Now we'll multiply 3 into, if we'll add it will be 52. Now 6 and 7, 13, 3 remaining 1, 7 and 4, 11 and 1, 12 remaining 1, 23 and 1, 24. Now we'll multiply it by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 5 remaining 1. 3 3s are 9 and 1 10 remaining 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 and 1 7. 3 4s are 12. 2 remaining 1. 3 2s are 6 and 7. So friend, here the value of 72727056 is the value of this term. So friend, how my video is, give your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.